All right, so we're live on YouTube. Just let me know, guys, if there's any challenges with the sound. But from where I'm sitting, it looks like everything is fine. Okay, it looks like everything is fine for where I'm sitting. Seems like okay. This is a bit blurry. Hold on, guys. Wait, let me save the day. Let me save the day. Boom, baby. Okay, you guys can see. Let me move this bitch a bit. This LCD screen that I'm using, this monitor right here. I don't know what happens. It just becomes like with my phone, it just becomes blurry. But if it does become blurry at any point, guys, you can go to my YouTube channels, Mabs Effects. We're currently live on there. Seems like everything is it's on point. Seems like everything is on point. Let me just post this in my channel. Okay, let's go. We couldn't do the stream yesterday because of load shedding. But yeah, let's just continue right now, guys. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully, everybody's doing good. We took some trades yesterday at what time was it again? It was like at oh, it wasn't yesterday. It was actually this morning, early this morning. We took trades at about was it 1 a.m. Yeah, it was about 1 a.m. And then we took those trades. They're still running. They're still running. We took a sell on JPN 225. We took two buy trades, one on Euro JPY and the other on GBP JPY. But the GBP JPY and the Euro JPY currently in drawdown, so I'm still holding those trades, guys. Okay, still holding. It's just a little bit of drawdown. I've actually added some positions there on my trades, at the pullback. So we're just gonna wait and see how that goes. Okay, we just want to see how that goes, but I'm still holding those trades. So yeah, anyways, let's get into the business of today. So I can't be online for a long time tonight because I have to go to some parent engagement at my child's school. So I have to go there. So we just need to do this analysis very quickly, and then be about our business. Okay. So, anyways, let's have a look at some of these indices. I want to be getting trades on the US, the NAS 100. Okay. So the way we're going to apply it, guys, for those of you guys who already have the trading system and you want to trade alongside with me, this is what we're going to do now. Okay. So we're not going to trade the way that we normally trade, but this time we're going to be looking at scalping opportunities, um, and instead of swing trading opportunities. Okay, so that's what we're going to be looking at right now. So our objective is different. So now when we're doing our swing trading strategy, the way we find trades is based off of the H4 chart. Why is this not moving? Okay, it's based off of the H4 chart and the 30-minute chart. Okay, so what we're going to do now is a little bit different. So we're going to set our trading system to detect opportunities on the H4. Listen to me, H4. We're going to change it to H1 as well. So H4, H1, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and 1 minute chart. Okay, so those are the charts that we're going to do. So we're going to exclude the 30-minute chart for this particular example. Okay, we could also exclude the 4-hour chart because we won't really need it in this particular segment. Okay, we won't really need it to do what we want to do right now. Okay, so if you want to discard the H4 chart, you can. Okay, the ones that we need, the most important ones are the H1, the 15 minutes, the 5 minutes, and if you want to, you can also now the idea is we get the bigger trend on the H1 chart. Okay, and then we get the entries on the 15-minute chart and the 5-minute chart. So basically the entry rules are the same. The entry rules are the same. Okay, but now we're also going to be taking into account price action and price patterns. Okay, we're going to be looking for symmetrical triangles. We're going to be looking for noticeable support and resistance. Okay, So that's one of the important things that we're going to be looking at. Right. So don't want to really waste too much time. So let's just jump into NAS100 real quick. Let's see what's happening on NAS100. And then right off the bat, we can see if we look at NAS100, okay, on our trading system, right, we can see that for the most part we're bearish, right, on all these different time frames. Okay, we're bearish on the H4 chart, 1 hour chart, 15-minute chart, 5-minute chart, and the 1 minute chart. Okay, so if we can get entries on the 1 minute chart, that's a bonus for us. Okay, it's a bonus for us. Um, but even if we get it on the 5 minute, 15 minute, still works the same way. Okay. But we want to get trades that are, if there's like clear price action, that's where we want to be, right? So let's just go ahead. Start on the H4 chart. Already I'm in sales, guys. Okay. So based off of our H4 strategy, okay, already I'm in some deep sales right now. Okay. I've been selling since Tuesday. I think since Monday. I've been selling since Monday. Okay, I've been in these sales since Monday. So right now, what you're looking at is the H4 chart. Okay, so already we have that trade to sell. Already we can see that, the market is going down right now. Okay, it looks like we're still going down. And then if we flip over to the 1 hour, let's see what's happening there. And we're gonna see if we can't find any more trades here, right? But the way the price action is set up, hold on, guys. Give me a second. Give me a second. Phone ringing. Hold on. My bad, guys. My baby's using a my other phone, so a phone call was coming through, and then I had to attend to that, right? And guys, if you have questions, just write them in the comments, right? Write them in the comments. But if there's no questions, I'm just gonna assume that everything is fine, and then I'm just gonna keep moving, right? But yeah, if you write them in the comments on the YouTube, I will be able to see them. Okay. So H1 chart, we can see that price is still bearish on the H1 chart. Let's go down to the 15 minutes. Let me just move this. 15 minutes. I'm still in deep sales on this. I'm still in deep sales on this NAS100 right here. Okay, let's go to 5 minutes. So basically, what I'm looking for now, guys, I'm looking for price structure right now. Okay, it's just gonna be a bit messy because I've already got some trades running, but I'm looking for like noticeable structure. Okay, and already my bias is toward the downside because of what we saw on the H4 chart, right? So basically now I just want to see structure right now, okay? Because I know that long term, whatever I see, um, it's going down, right? It's going down, it's going down, it's going down. So if we go to the 5 minute chart, we can see something here, okay? We can see that there's a there's a low right here and another one right there. So we're going to use that for to create our support, and then right there we've got our resistance there, but we're not really going to notice that too much. So our entry now is going to be when the market breaks the support. Okay, we're going to enter very quickly here. So right here, I didn't even really see the fundamentals today, if there's any fundamentals, but me, I really don't it maketh no difference to me, if there's fundamentals or not, right? So okay, this is what we're anticipating, guys. Okay, key things to notice. The stream's current bit rate is 1853 kbs. It's lower than recommended. Guys on YouTube, how's the visuals on the YouTube stream? I'm getting some error on my side. I don't know what it's about, but I guess it's because I haven't been streaming for a while. Okay, so basically, want to get into that entry right there. Okay, and what we're gonna do is this. Okay, I'm gonna pop in a sell right now on NAS100. Let me just put in proper lot sizes. Oh man, come on. I'll pop in proper. Oh man, My computer's freezing, guys. How can it freeze at such an important time? Okay. So I just opened up a trade right there. So on the 5 minute chart, if you're looking at the 5 minute chart, right, I'm gonna put my stop loss above the previous high. You understand? Just there on the 5 minute chart, I'm putting my stop loss above the previous high because there is a trend line there. If the market goes up and hits my stop, it means something else. Okay. But for now, I'm anticipating the breakout to the bottom, right? I'm anticipating that, and I'm counting on the fact that, we do have a H4 setup. Okay, so the overall bigger trend is going to the downside. You understand? So our take profit for this trade that I just opened right now, it's we're gonna leave it open. We're gonna allow the market to run. We're gonna allow it to do its thing. Okay, we're gonna allow the market to do its thing right there. All right. We together, guys. We together. I know we're together, right? Or what you can do is you can do a 1:1. It's up to you. It's up to you. You can do a 1:1 risk ratio. It's all up to you, right? 1:1, whatever, right? 1:1 doesn't really matter. So that support right now on the 5 minute chart. If it's taken out, we're jumping in there, right? But I'm already in that trade right now. Stop loss is above the previous high, like on the 5 minute chart. Okay, it's above the high. This is what I mean. This is where the stop loss is. Wait, hold on. Right, you can put the stop loss yourself, but like it's right here. Okay, it's right here. You see this high right here. You see where the market turned around on a 5 minute chart, right there. Okay, so I put my stop loss just above that. Okay, so now I'm counting on the bearish momentum. Right, I'm counting on the bearish momentum that's plaguing this market right now. So I'm anticipating it to go down, right? Go down right there, and then I've got an open TP, right? Got an open TP on that. The market's actually moving down. I can see that my previous trades are actually popping off right now. Okay, so I'm just gonna move on. Let's move on. Let's see. So we already have a trade on there. Okay, but now another thing that you also need to see. Okay, if you want to take a little bit more risk on this, if you see the market pushing down, because I'm probably going to be disconnecting the stream in about 5 minutes. Okay, but like if you see the market pushing down with momentum, you can always add some positions, but obviously according to your own discretion, right? According to your own discretion. If you see the market pushing down some more, then that's an opportunity for you as well. Okay, so let's move. Let's get this paper. Let's get this paper. Right. Let's see. Okay, US 30, right? I don't have a trade on US 30, right? But at least for people who are, because that previous chart was a bit messy, because like I've got trades running on it. Okay, so I'm on the US 30 chart on the 4 hour chart right now. Okay, and then the first thing I see is there is a support level right there. Okay, there's a support level, right? The trading system on the H4 chart is already telling us to sell. Okay, it's telling us to sell. We've got our arrow there. We've got another arrow there pointing to the downside, telling us that we need to get in for a sell. Okay, and then another thing that tells us to jump in is this right here. Is the take profit is placed at the right place. The stop loss is placed at the right place. Okay. Now this is a secondary type of trade. Because the signal was actually up here, and then the market now is all the way down here. So then if we were to enter on the 4 hour chart, okay, we'd open up the trade right there, and instead of putting the stop loss up here, we'll put it where the entry price was for the original signal. You understand? So that's where we'd pop in a sell, right? I mean, our stop loss, our TP would be there, and then we'd monitor that thing real quick, right? So now we got a trade based on that. I'm just gonna open up that trade right now. All right, I'm just gonna open up that trade, and then I'll post it in the training center as well. The stop loss if you missed it, because I know some people just miss these things. I'm on a ZAR account, guys, so at least it allows me to open up some lot sizes here again. So you put the stop loss at the entry price right there, okay? Because it's a secondary entry, right? So that's a swing trade. I'm taking it, okay? I it's just there. It's painted real nice. So who am I to say no when there's an opportunity? right? Who am I to say no, right? And then H1. My YouTube guys, are we together? Is the video all right? Do we have visual? What's going on? Do we have visual? What's going on? Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Okay, on the H1 chart, we've got better risk reward right here. Okay, so I'm gonna adjust my stop loss and take profit to the stop loss on the H1 chart on the system. Okay, so if you feel like I'm moving a little bit too quick, just open up your laptop. Okay, load the system, and then you'll be able to see these numbers. All right, you'll be able to see these numbers right here. Right. So there we go. Let me just open up a second trade right there. Okay, and a third trade. Let's go. Now let's go to the 15-minute chart. Okay, 15-minute chart isn't really giving us what is not really giving us what we need to see. Okay, 15-minute chart isn't giving us what we need to see. 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart. Okay, we see a little bit better price action here on the 5-minute chart right here. Okay, as you can see, that purple line right there, just to give you guys a little bit of context, right? You see that purple line that I did there? It's that support line that I drew on the H4 chart, right? This right here is a support. Okay, remember what I said about breakouts. So if there's a breakout, right, it's going to move past this defined support level. Okay, so if that happens, it's going to be very quick. Okay, so that's why I jumped into these trades. Risk management is taken into account here, guys. Okay, it's taken into account. So just to recap on the trades that we have, okay, we've got a sell on NAS100, a similar structure to what we're seeing right here. We've got a sell on US30. We have what else do we have, guys? We have a buy, which we got early in the morning on the Euro JPY. We're still holding that. And then we've got a buy on GBP USD. But those two forex currencies right now are currently in drawdown. Okay, currently in drawdown, but we took them on the H4 chart. Okay, the Euro JPY we took on the H4 chart. So we're actually going to be holding that for some time. Okay, we're going to be holding that for some time. All right, it's looking good for now. It's looking good for now. GBP JPY still in drawdown, guys. We just need to hold that. JPN 225, guys, is popping. I should have added positions, right? That's the trade that we got in the morning. Pretty amped about that. Okay, so we're selling JPN 225. That one is still popping. It's still popping. It's still popping. All right, NAS100, NAS100, NAS100. We're still good. We're still good. We're still good. Okay, so we've got those trades running, right? We already have some trades running. Just watch that NAS100 trade, okay? Because it's gonna be a little bit tricky. Like if you over risk, it's gonna be a little bit tricky, okay? So watch it. But we've got a leg to stand on, okay? We've got the H4 we've got the H4 momentum, right? And then we've got we've got that 50, was it the 5-minute entry? I think it was a 5-minute entry if I remember correctly. But it's similar price action here, okay? Similar price action. Don't forget to use risk management, guys. Don't forget to use risk management right there. Okay? Don't forget to use risk management. You see, so we kind of like got some consolidation here, guys. We got a range, okay? We got a range, guys. We got a range on the 5-minute chart. Okay, so let's just watch that, okay? For those conservative traders, I know that there's some conservative traders. Let me see if I can't pull up paint here. I just want to show you guys something real quick. Just give me a second. Okay, guys on YouTube, you might not be able to see this screen that I'm going to pull up, okay? But you guys, I trust you guys on YouTube. Trust you guys on YouTube. Give me, where do I find paint? Where do you find paint? Paint. I'm trying to find this drawing tool, guys, and I can't see where it is. Paint. For some reason, I can't search on my taskbar. Windows is pretty annoying these days. You know, it's really been annoying me. It's been annoying. Paint. Can't even open it. So which tool can I use? Oh, I can use this tool. I can use this tool. I want to show you guys something real quick. Hold on. Ah, man, I forgot how to use it. This other tool that I have, guys, that allows me to draw on the screen. I just forgot how it works because I haven't used it in a while. Okay. Let's see. Was it start? I just don't remember, man. Okay. Okay, wait, hold on. Draw. What I have to? Oh, num star, num star, num star. Okay, num star. Okay, guys. I want you guys to pay attention to what's happening here. Yeah, bro. All right. Okay. Cool. Look at this, guys. This is US 30. Okay. Guys on YouTube, you're not gonna be able to see what I'm drawing on the screen because of I don't know technology. I don't know how to set it up, but you'll get it. Okay. So US 30. This is the US 30 on the 5 minute chart, right? And then on the 5 minute chart, what do we see? We see a support right there, and then we see a resistance right there. Okay. And then we can see the market like playing in between the support and resistance. Okay. So what we're anticipating here, right, is the breakout to the bottom so that we can sell. Okay. That's what we are anticipating. Now, for those traders who are conservative, who might not want to sell at a support, okay, what you can do is you can wait for the breakout to happen. Okay, you can wait for the market to push down, right, and break out. And then when you see the market pulling back, right, after the breakout, that's where you can actually enter the trade right there. Okay, that's where you can actually jump in when you see that pullback right there. Right, let me see, purple. Right, so you wait for the market to break out, and then if it pulls back, that point right there where it pulls back into the broken support, okay, that's where we can jump in for our additional sell. Okay. Somebody was asking, what is the does this only work on MetaTrader 4? Yes, currently this works on MetaTrader 4, right? We're trading on MetaTrader 4 right now. Um, for more information, go to the link in my bio, click that link, and then all the information is there. Like if you want to get the system for yourself, just go to the link in my TikTok bio, right? And then you'll be able to see that. Okay. But my guys on TikTok, I mean on YouTube are pretty quiet. So I guess maybe they understood what I was trying to convey here. Okay. So that's what we're watching. That's what we're waiting for right now, guys. We're still watching this thing. All right, I'm opening up trades, guys, because I do have some volume in this account. Okay, so I can take some of this drawdown. Okay, but for those of you guys who want to play it safe, you can. There's nothing wrong with that. Just let me give you the guide again. Because you got your support, right? And then if the market now does this, breaks the support and comes back to retest that support right there, okay, that's your kill zone. That's where you can enter there. Okay, at that point there's probably going to be less drawdown at that point. Okay, but then we have to be watching that. We have to be watching that like a hawk. Okay, so yeah, let me just quickly zoom in on to the forex majors real quick. Before I go, I'm about to go right now, so let's just quickly, I got about 5 minutes left. Let's quickly look at the euro pairs quickly. Okay, euro pairs quickly. Let's see. I see opportunities on euro AUD, but I'm gonna skip that one. Let's see. I'm interested in euro USD. Euro USD. Euro USD is giving us the same vibes as US 30 and NAS 100 right now. I like how sometimes these markets kind of do the same things. Okay, so we've got a triangle pattern right here. Okay, we've got a breakout pattern right here, right? So Euro USD, guys, for those of you guys who aren't trading NAS 100, okay, we've got an opportunity here on the Euro USD. right? On the H1 chart, we've got a breakout pattern. Okay, if it breaks to the top, we buy. If it breaks to the bottom, we sell. Okay, I'm just looking at these markets real quick. Okay, okay. You need to watch this one. If you see the breakout, take it. Don't hesitate. If we win, we win. If we die, we die. Have you ever, have you guys ever been in a situation where you're like, if I die, I die. So that's currently where we're at right now on the Euro USD. Okay, just wait for the breakout there. If you see a breakout to the top, buy. If you see a breakout to the bottom, sell. Right? I've already got a lot of trades running here, so I'm just gonna move past those. And I'm just looking quickly at the opportunities that are there. Okay, because I need to go. I need to bounce. Okay, let's see. GBP USD. That's the one. We looked at it yesterday. We looked at GBP USD yesterday. We looked at it yesterday. Let's see. Okay, M15. We also got structure here as well. If you look at the M15 chart, there's a breakout pattern as well. If it breaks the bottom, there's an opportunity. If it breaks the top, there's an opportunity, right? Right there. You guys can see that. Guys can see that. Guys can see that. I move to the 5 minutes. Yeah. Okay. Right there. Okay, so we just need to hold. So every hour we're going to be checking our NAS100 trade. Okay, we're going to be checking our NAS100 trade. You can do that on your own. Let me see. What else can I look at quickly? What else can I look at? What else can I look at? Let's see. Guys, when is NFP? Okay, no, I'm early. It's probably next week. Next week, Friday. So this scalping session is probably going to be much more potent if we do a session on the NFP. I know a lot of people will want to join that. So we'll probably do that next week. Provided I have time. Because I don't always have time. I don't always have time. This GBP JPY trade is looking scary, guys. Because it looks like it wants to. It looks like it's turning direction to the opposite side. Okay, it looks like it's turning direction to the opposite side. All right. So yeah, we got our sell. We're still sticking to our sell, guys, on NAS100. We're sticking to that one. That's our primary thing. We got our sell. It was based off of the, if I remember correctly, let me just try to remember. It was based off of the 5-minute chart, if I'm not lying. Let me just check quickly. Let me check quickly. Let me check quickly. NAS100, NAS100. Okay, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna disconnect right now. I'll post the stop loss take profit in the training center, guys. Okay, for the NAS100. Okay, I'll post the stop loss take profit on the NAS100, and then don't forget to do this, guys. Okay, don't forget to do this. I want to show you this very important thing right here. Let's just open up a random chart. Okay, just because you get a signal and you make profit, man, doesn't mean that you just need to sit on your thumbs, guys. You need to be proactive, okay? So this is what you need to do. Let's say you get your sell, right? Let's say you sell at that yellow line, okay? And then let's say now you put your take profit down there at that green line. Let me make this green right here. Okay, don't forget to do this. This is very important. Otherwise, you'll make money and you'll lose money at the same time. You'll be happy and very sad at the same time, okay? So you need to start trading like a pro. So this is what you need to do, guys, right? So let's say you open up your trade, you open up a sell trade at that yellow line right there, anticipating that the market is going to go down, okay? And then now, this is what you need to do, guys. As the market goes down and makes profit, okay? What you need to do is you need to modify the trade. Don't forget this step. This is actually very important, right? Don't forget to do this, because you don't want to be in a situation where you're making a profit, you're making $1,000, and then next thing you blow your account. You understand? So you need to manage your trade. It's not enough to just hope for the best when you're making profit. The market doesn't have to go in your direction all the time. Okay? So when you're making profit like this, right, and the market starts moving down and you're making profit, you need to modify the trade. You need to take the stop loss, modify the trade, put it underneath the entry price so that if the market continues to go down, you make profit. If it suddenly turns around and hits the stop loss, it's going to close the trade in profit instead of you losing money. Okay? It's a very important step. It's a very important step. Don't overlook it. Yeah, but anyways, guys, I'm gonna disconnect right now. I'm gonna post the sell trade on the NAS100 on my training center Telegram channel. For my guys there on Telegram channel. Okay, so you guys are gonna see that there, the stop loss take profit that I used right now. All right. Okay. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna see you in a few hours. Just need to disconnect. See you guys later. Somebody made 6K. Great stuff, great stuff, great stuff. Okay, guys, I'll see you guys later. I need to bounce. I'll post the trade just now, as soon as I leave. Okay. Take care, guys. Good luck. I'll see you guys later.